Okay, real quick, I wanted to show you guys where to find cover letter templates if you don't know the formatting. So if you open a new tab and you go to your Google over here and go to Google Docs, up at the top it'll say Template Gallery, and if you click that and scroll down, you'll see a section called Letters. You can click on any of these and just kind of get a feel for them and which one you like. But let's click on this first one, and you'll see it kind of sets you up just to fill in your own information, which may be helpful. This is obviously what you'll be switching up a lot, but I thought this would be helpful for some of you so that you're not struggling with the fancy business formatting. There's a couple different ones that you can choose from, whichever one you like best, but this is just really easy to get to, so use this before submitting your cover letter if you're concerned about the formatting.